So do you foresee, at least for maybe the next 6 months, as Lyyvora scales and handles more borrowers, you would need to hire people that would be behind the scenes, human in the loop style, and figuring out should this be corrected?
Yes, it's only if we have thousands of borrowers coming every second day. Maybe at that time it would be hard to scale with humans. But as for now, it's also, we're in the early stage of the company. Trust is the thing that if we break this, we can just destroy our company from the beginning. And so for this trust, even if the AI is giving us best answers as it can, we do need a human behind it. And it's not about only verifying the information or if the answer is correct. It's also to understand, okay, this is the borrower. They need it. If they need a human connection behind it, for example, recently I was speaking with someone who applied through my website and I saw that how it was meshed with the other lenders, but she still wanted to speak with someone. As I
Hmm.
had been following the whole process silently, when I spoke to her, I knew exactly what's going on in her life and what are her questions. At this early stage, I believe that it we I myself has to be hands on all those areas.
I like that. And that keeps the personal touch, even if there is an AI that's doing most of the grunt work.
Yes, the personal touch and that trust, I would say, more than personal touch, this trust that there are humans behind the AI. It's not a spam AI.
Yeah, that is important. And how do you see AI maybe changing in a way that would affect Lyyvora or this marketplace business?
Maybe again, AI is going so fast that I will not be surprised that in 5 years, Lyyvora, the core proposition of one borrower matching with multiple lenders is going to be extremely easy to use, easy to develop, and then there will be I will no more need Lyyvora. They will just go in a GPT, apply, and then they get the offers. So maybe Lyyvora might not be existed at that time. That's a very good question, and this is what I was asking. That maybe AI is gonna replace Lyyvora, maybe. But one thing that I don't see AI is doing is the network that I'm creating. It's the people that I'm connecting today and who knows me, who know what I do. Oh yes, the application process might not be there, but the community I'm going to build from now until I don't know in 5 years. Today there are hundreds of people in my connection of the borrower, but in 5 years there will be thousands of people, and those thousands of people will be trusted what we do. So again, coming back to the trust, I would say that this is one thing that I believe it's going to be harder for AI to replace a human.
That makes sense. And AI doesn't have the ability to build a network of trust.
Not yet. As it's easy to say that tomorrow there will be a chat where they will just ask answer and they get the offers and then it will be it is I can see it, it's coming, it's possible. But I don't see it coming that AI is you're just this network that those humans that you're connected. You're not only I'm also currently building a community where all the borrowers they are discussing with one another their pain points and
Hmm.
what are the clinic growth problems. It's a close community where they find only like-minded people. It's not like a Reddit where they just post something and someone come. You don't know if it's a legitimate person or not, or just a fake profile whatsoever. So this close community where people will be discussing things with one another, answering, understanding. This is again, it's hard for me to see AI is replacing it.
I started this podcast because of an image that came to me in a dream. Back when cities had walls, everyone passed through the gate. Talk to enough people there and you'd understand the city. I wanted to stand at the gate and understand not just how AI was changing, but how AI was changing us. If you know someone building or leading with AI, or if this episode was useful, an introduction, a share, or a quick review on your podcast app all help keep these conversations going and help others find them. You can reach me on LinkedIn at Daniel Maneri or by email at daniel@maneri.house. That's Daniel at manary.haus. Thanks for listening.